Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be repairing this Lenovo IdeaCentre 27ARR9 F0HQ Series All-in-One computer. As you can see, the screen is pretty badly cracked, so we're going to have to swap the screen out for a new one. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with using a pry tool to remove the plastic cover from the stand. Then, lay the computer flat. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the single screw holding the plastic clip in place. Then, using a plastic spudger, gently pry the back panel off of the stand assembly. Remove the plastic clip on top of the assembly. Now, we're going to remove the 4 cables running from the screen assembly to the motherboard. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. The manufacturer put numbers on the 3 cables on top, so you'll have an easier time knowing which one goes for each port. There are 4 screws connecting the stand to the screen assembly. Removing the screws will allow us to separate them and work on replacing the screen. Gently pull the stand up and away from the screen. We're going to use a thin metal spudger to separate the back panel off of the screen assembly. Use extra care by the webcam to avoid damaging it. Some of the retention clips are hard to release. Be patient and jiggle the back panel around to release the clips without snapping them. Be careful when pulling off the back panel not to snag the screen cables and damage them. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 13 screws from around the edge and 4 screws from the center of the frame. Now we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. To remove the frame, lift the top part and slide it down to avoid snapping the chin bezel on bottom. Now, we're going to transfer the whole frame assembly to the new screen. Plug the LVDS, backlight, and touch cable back in to their ports. When plugging back in, make sure to put pressure evenly from the sides of the cable head and not pushing with your finger straight down, as that can damage the cables. Make sure they are fully plugged in. If not all the pins are contacting properly, it will cause display or touch issues. After that, we replace the screws on the frame and replace the back cover. Using firm pressure press around the sides of the assembly to snap all the retention clips back into place. Then, we replace the stand assembly. Replace all the cables in the correct ports based on their numbers. Just like before, make sure they are all fully plugged in to avoid any display issues. Then, all that's left to do is to replace the top clip, the stand's back panel, and its cover. This is how you repair a cracked screen on a Lenovo IdeaCentre 27ARR9 F0HQ Series All-in-One computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.